keep you away from the heat. And it's got its heat shield. And then if you look at the bottom, there's some holes there for air vents. Yeah. So we have been asked, how do you actually use a charcoal starter? It might sound obvious, but some people still would like to know. So I'll give you my way of how I do it, and maybe you've got other ideas, but this is how I would normally go about it. I fill it up with a little bit of charcoal, just on the bed, small bit like that. If you can look into the camera there, it's not much, just enough to start. And then you put your fire starter, whatever fuel you've got. Just a small piece on top. And then you light that up. And just give it some time to breathe and to get fairly warm. And as soon as it's quite a temperature, you can add some more. Don't fill it up to the brim, just enough so it can still get air and breathe, and that's how easy it is. And now you wait 10 minutes or so and your charcoal will be ready. You can see it's just going by itself, nothing fancy. Add some more charcoal once it gets going, but just make sure that that's going first before I add anything, otherwise you're going to smother it. Yeah, happy braaiing.